Karag, welcome back to my vlog. Isang magandang hapon sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. So kita nyo naman sa ating pa-background mga Karag. O, di ba bongga yung ano di Kuragan. So eto na mga Karag, hahabol tayo ngayon sa mga kaganapan na pinag-uusapan, pinagchichismisan ng mga active na mga chismoso at mga chismosa sa social media na kung saan wala muna tayong minupusal fashion distraction look dahil very distraction ngayon at very bongga yung mga kaganapan na kung saan ako grabe, ito talaga daw yung winning factor ng pambato ng Indonesia sa Miss Supranational 2026 na kung saan siya lang ang nag-iisang sa Asia na nakapasok sa final sa Supra Chat 2026 sa Poland. Kaya very proud naman ang mga kanyang kababayan at maging ako mga Karag bilang ano bitaw, sabihin natin siya lang isa yung nakapasok bitaw sa Team Asia na nakipagbardagulan sa Team Europe at Team Latina. Kaya congratulations sa Indonesia. So may nag-ano sa akin na kachismisan ko Kuragan. I-video mo, i-vlog mo nga yung ano communication skills ni Maring Agnes natin, gusto naming mapanood. So sa paghahanap ko mga Karag, watch this.
In your country, where do you believe this statement is true? And where do you believe women are still left behind?
That's what makes women so great, because with the hardships and with all the expectations and with the ridiculous standards, we still do it so gracefully and we're still capable of so much.
Yeah.
And I agree with you. We can be a mother and still be in the government. We can be a mother and still do so many things.
Exactly.
And in Indonesia, I also see progress for women. Women are more active in government. Women are more free to express themselves.
Yes.
Designers are more free to, to their art.
Yeah.
And it's incredible to see. However, there is still villages where the idea of being a woman is just to be married to someone or just to work and just to stay home or not to pursue an education. And these are the things that I really, really want to change.
Yeah.
And through my initiative, I do try to help on this through education. And I think education is really the most important thing for a nation to thrive, not only for the women, but also for the men, because we cannot have progress for women if it's only the women moving. We need to have the support from the men also. So the mindset needs to change from both sides. Yeah, really believe in yourself and believe that you can do anything. And I do really believe that we create our own reality. I really like what you said about if you have an excitement, you really have to pursue it. And I think because of fear and doubt and just worry about what other people say, that's what stops us girls from actually pursuing anything that we want. And if I can wake up every day believing in myself and betting on myself, I think that would really make the world a better place for everyone. And I think it's so powerful that we are able to create our own reality, to create that reality for us. Because once we really believe and once we are really confident in ourselves, every day becomes better. The way we love ourselves, the way we treat other people, the way we pursue our jobs, the way we pursue our art, our crafts. I think just believing in ourselves like 100% with no doubt, I think that would be amazing. Yeah.
Yan ang mga Karag na panood na ninyo, ano yung magiging reaction nyo. Sabi naman ng iba mga ipinaglihibitaw ni Albert Einstein at ni Almanac na gas-gas na daw yung linya ng ginamit ni Maring Agnes sa kanyang pagsagot sa Miss Supra Chat 2026. Kaya yun. So magiging reaction ko lang naman is wala dahil hindi naman tayo ipinanganak at ipinaglihi kay Google bitaw at hindi naman tayo pa sana wala ako mga Karag. O tayo pa hunong sa ko dire. Tayo pa sa hunong sa shot hunong. So ayun. So magiging reaction ko naman mga Karag. Wala, kasi bugo naman ako sa English. So ibigay ko sa inyo ang comment section kung ano yung magiging reaction nyo na gas-gas na daw yung linya na ginamit ni Maring Agnes. Pero congratulations pa rin. So that's all for today mga Karag. Mag-ingay tayo sa comment section kung napabili ba kayo sa communication skills ng pambato ng Indonesia sa Miss Supranational 2026 final. And thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe. Kuragan, hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest kaganapan at late na intriga sa mundo ng beauty pageant. And thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!